The next massage technique might be surprising because it will be spoon facial massage. Well, believe it or not, even though it seems a weird technique at first, it's a very beneficial one. It's actually very similar to the jade roller massage, and you can do spoon facial massage every day. I like this massage that it helps you to increase the blood flow. It will also drain the puff-inducing fluids. And this in turn would help us to reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, definitely help us to depuff our skin, especially the under eye area. It will stimulate circulation, remove retained liquid in the tissue. That's something I suffer in the morning. Some of the days it will help us to have firmer skin. As far as the spoons, so you could use ceramic, porcelain spoon for this massage. Actually, these would be the type of spoons that they use in Asia for this type of massage, but we should work with regular metal spoons. You could also get yourself the silver spoons, but with time silver will darken. You can easily clean it though, so if you want to invest in a couple of silver spoons, just go ahead and do that. Now what I need to talk about is that the most important thing is that your spoon shouldn't look like that. See, I hope you can see it. The edge here is not round, so you don't want anything like this. You don't want any sharp edges. Just two spoons. They might not be the same. It doesn't really matter. And if you can also use large, like tablespoons or the teaspoons. It's easier for me to work with teaspoons, and I suggest you have two pairs. I will explain why in a second. So as I've mentioned, you can do this massage every day. I love doing it almost every day for depuffing my under eye area. And even if you just put the two spoons under your eyes right now, or just I'll wait, grab a couple of spoons, you will see the coolness. But what we are doing in this case, we keep them in the refrigerator. Trust me, it will do the trick. You will see the results, I believe, if you use it every day. In about 2 weeks, you will see that your puffiness under eyes is improved. There's also alternating cold and warm spoons. They will provide better circulation and stimulate the nerve endings. For this purpose, I suggest you do this massage in the morning. I actually do suggest you do spoon massage in the morning because depuffing your eye area is important in the morning, right? How do we prepare? We do skincare protocol, as I've mentioned, and you sanitize and wash your spoons with water after every use and before every use. Now, there are certain contraindications that I want you to know. If you suffer from rosacea, you don't use the spoons. If you experience problems with the lymphatic system, and again, if you're feeling that you're getting sick, if your veins are located very close to the surface of the skin, if you have acne in active form, if you have herpes, or if you have skin inflammation or damage. It is recommended to do the spoon facial massage every day for about 10 minutes. So if you don't have such an option, you don't have an opportunity of 10 minutes in the morning, then just create a schedule, maybe every second day. If you want to see the results, you have to give quality and consistency.